Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Pro. Today we are diving into one of the most effective tools for organizing your thoughts, brainstorming and solving complex problems like mind mapping and more. Whether you are a student, a professional or just someone looking to make sense of all the thoughts swirling around in your head, this tool can transform the way you think and work. Today we are going to talk about Boardmix. Boardmix is a dynamic and versatile online collaboration tool that facilitates brainstorming, planning and project management through visual tools like mind maps. It's designed to help individuals and teams structure their thoughts, organize ideas and collaborate seamlessly in real time. So the link of this website is available in the video description. In this video we are going to talk about how you can use Boardmix. So time to put on your silly belts, let's get started. So first of all, simply log in and here is the software interface. Here you can see its user-friendly interface. Here we have different options like For You tab, Whiteboard tab, mind map, flowchart, presentation, AI art, AI chat and writing, documents and more. And the down below here you can see we have thousands of templates. You can use these templates here. At the left we have home tab, descent, resource library, my favorite, templates and community tab. So let's try its first feature, Whiteboard. Simply click on it. Here you can see you can select the templates here. I will select it and if I want I can fully customize it. I can edit it, I can add the text, I can remove the text. And if I want I can fully customize it like bold, italic, underline and even change its background. And here you can see we have the AI section. If you want you can expand your mind map. You can summarize it, you can add the extensions, presentation and SWOT analysis. If you want you can translate it very easily. But first of all I will try its continue to generate mind map feature. And here is the result. Our mind map is expand. Now let's try its translate feature. Simply select it and here you can see we have different languages. I will select this one and here is the result. Our font is translate in another language. At the left here you can see we have the toolbar option. First of all we have the frame option, then we have text feature. If you want you can also add the sticky notes here. You can add shapes, add mind map, add connectors, lines and more. Next we have layout feature. You can change its layout. Here you can see we have different options. So that's very easy. So once everything is done, you can share your file with anyone. Simply click on the share button and here you can see you can share it with your friend very easily. Simply copy the link and then you can share it with your friends. Now let's talk about mind map. Click on it and here you can see down below we have many templates. I will select this one and if you want you can fully edit it. You can enter the topic, add subtopics, you can fully customize it like bold, italic, change its color, change connector styles and more. If you want you can add the comment here. Simply write the comment and that's it. Here you can see my comment is added. And here we have more options like you can add image, insert video, add icons and more. If I click on the add icon button, here you can see we have different icons. You can use these icons in your mind map. So that's very easy. Now let's try its next feature, flowchart. You can create flowchart very easily. Simply enter the prompt here. For example, I will write here create flowchart on student lecture routine. And here is the result. And just in one click my flowchart is ready. I can fully customize it. I can edit the word. I can edit the text, insert text, add text, delete text and more. If I want, I can add the border line here. I can change its color. I can select the opacity, and that's very easy. Now let's try its SWOT analysis feature. You can expand your mind map specific feature, and here is the result. And next we have the presentation feature. You can try it. Let's try its AI art model. And here you can see we have many example images. You can try that you want, simply select it, but I will create my own image. Simply select the create new button. Simply enter the prompt here. Then choose the model. And finally click on the start button. And here is the result. That's very easy, and here you can see it's very effective. Next we have AI chat button. You can chat with AI very easily. Simply select the chat board and then ask the question. For example, I will write here, write an essay on social media marketing in 150 words. And here you can see, here is our result. At the last we have the documents and worksheets option. So Boardmix is more than just a mind mapping tool. It's a versatile platform that empowers individuals and teams to think creatively, collaborate seamlessly and organize ideas effectively. Whether you are brainstorming or simply organizing your thoughts, Boardmix offers the feature and flexibility you need to succeed. Start transforming your ideas into actionable plan today with Boardmix. So the link of this website is available in the video description. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.